Hello friends, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate, Assistant Professor, Department of English, S.S. Jaiswal College, Arjuni Morgaon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are enjoying the facilities and the features of LaTeX. In the previous video, I have explained that how to add sections, subsections, subsections, paragraphs. Also, we have seen how to add titles, name of the authors, email, college name, date. We have also discussed various things about the document class. Now, my dear friends, in this video I am going to explain you how to add abstract in your paper. For example, this is just before this section. You can see this is the portion is known as the preamble of your document. So this is in this preamble we can select the packages, we can write the titles, author, date and your document class. So here we are going to add our abstract in your paper. So for this you just put your cursor in the processing page and write left slash, type begin. So various tags will appear in the drop down sections. So you can select the abstract, this left slash begin in curly bracket abstract. So this is the abstract. Now see, two options are visible here. One is begin and end abstract. So for example, when I put my cursor in between that begin and end and insert my abstract, so this is my abstract, and if I want this abstract in italic, so for this also you can type left slash EMPH like this, and this curly bracket you just put here and close this curly bracket. Now see, this full paragraph will be converted into abstract as well as in italic form. So this is the way you can add abstract to your paper. So see the result. We have added abstract and it is in italic form. So this is again very important thing. Dear friends, suppose if you want to write or if you want to add any word which is in bold, for example, this is the title of the novel, this The Joy of Motherhood. I want this in italic or in bold. For example, left slash EMPH. So select this tag and close this title in this curly bracket. So as I click, so this title of the novel will be italic here. You can see in the subsection. So here I have converted this The Joy of Motherhood is now in italic. Suppose if you want to underline this, suppose if you want to underline some words, for example, when I put my cursor here and left slash underline and half curly bracket, and suppose this word I want in curly bracket, underline. So close this curly bracket in this word and see the result. So only one word will be underlined. You can see here underline word. Suppose if you don't want this and if you want to write some bold letter, for example, this Nanu Ego is a name of character. I want this bold. So for this you just type left slash TEXT BF. So you can select this tag, it is here, and this half curly bracket close to this name Nanu Ego and write in close that curly bracket. So now it will be in bold form or bold style will be appear. So only this name of the character you can see here, it is in bold now. So this is how you can see or you can do various things